So hard for me to walk away, but I know I can't stay. You're beautiful and crazy too. Maybe that's why I fell into you. Even though you would pretend to be, you were never.
Hey guys, it's your Thursday on Best Ever Collab 888. So I'm just going to start off with the Saltine Challenge really quick. And I got my timer right here for a minute. Don't know if you can see that. Yep, it says 1 minute right there. You probably can't see that, but you gotta trust me. So, here we go. Okay, so that was like super hard, and I barely made it, but I was like still kind of chewing when, when it got to 1 minute, and I pressed the wrong start button, but don't worry, I was watching it, so I stopped at 1 minute, but man, that gave me the hiccups a second ago. I'll show you like a clip of it when I was trying to talk. I'm getting the hiccups. Crap. I just got hiccups from that. Awesome! Yeah. Too many saltines at once. Okay, if any of you can do that, I'm gonna start over this. But now let's get on to the bread challenge, which is how many seconds? 45 seconds. And you have to eat a piece of bread in 45 seconds. So I'm gonna try and do that really quick. So here we go. My second time doing the stinking bread challenge because my timer on my phone didn't work. It just doesn't cooperate, and it makes me sad. Okay, so let's see if this timer works because it just it's a no. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have hiccups right now, but that's okay. So just give it a minute. Oh no, I'm all good. Wait. Anyways, so yeah, I just finished the bread challenge and my timer went off while I was still chewing the last bits of it, just like my saltine challenge. So I guess I almost finished it, but I was pretty darn close. Those two are really hard, and they both have carbs in it. I mean, carbs aren't bad for you necessarily. I mean, if you have too many, they're really bad. And I had hiccups during the saltine challenge because that was like a lot, and so it was bad. But yeah, so I finished the bread challenge. I got to 0. Well, of course I got to 0. I counted down from 54. I could not talk today. Counted down from 45, and yeah, I was still chewing. So yeah, I did not necessarily completely finish it, but I did pretty well. So yeah, here is my sentence from my videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed Thursday this week. And so yeah, please like and comment and subscribe to my link in the down bar. So yeah, love you guys. Bye. It's Caroline. I really love Best Ever Collab 888.